What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me on how I prepare for a photo shoot. If you're here for the first time, please like and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be bringing you all kind of tutorials and how-to videos, so you might not want to miss out on that. While I'm getting ready, I will be sharing some products that I am using, and if you want to skip out on this part, you can go ahead and skip to the minutes to my right. And if you still want to know what products I use, they will be in the bottom description. I put out a post on Facebook looking for models to be the face on some t-shirts that we are doing for something called Wealth Builders. Wealth Builders is a community that I'm in, and we all are there for one purpose only, that is to invest in the stock market so that we can build our wealth and quit working. At the end of the day, yes, we are trying to get wealthy and live off of our dividends and leave some left over for our loved ones. Anyway, yes, I was looking for a face to model some of the t-shirts that I was going to design. Unfortunately, I did not have anyone available, so I had to do it myself. And since I had to do it, I said, okay, well, this would also be a good video. I am going to show you today how you can take your own professional looking photo shoots and turn them into some beautiful flyers and marketing tools. Right now I'm just getting my hair together. I'm about to put on a little makeup. I don't wear much, but it's just enough to cover up the little blemishes that I have. That's me talking to Russia. She wanted to say hello. That's Russia, baby. So the first product I am going to use is the MAC Foundation NW45. I love this Studio Fix makeup because, I mean, it just gives you that nice, I don't want to say matte finish, but it doesn't have your skin looking all oily. I don't like that moist looking look. So the next is the MAC blush. I like this color. It's called Copper Tone. I use it lightly. It's very light. It doesn't have you looking like Minnie Mouse or anything because it's super light. I've been using that for years. The next product I'm going to use is My Amazing Lashes by Wild Combo. I seen this advertised on Instagram and I wanted to try it, and I've been using it ever since. I'm just being silly. I had one strand of hair that wanted to not curl the way I wanted it to curl, so I am using the Got To Be Glue holding spray to help it hold its form. And again, like I said, the link to these will all be down in the description. As of now, I do not receive any compensation for referring these products, but I will pretty soon, hopefully. I did this Amazon affiliate program before. it did not turn out as expected. I won't go into it further, but I am willing to try it again to see what happens. That is the flat iron holding glove so that I can properly hold the 450-degree hot irons. I'm going to put those in the description as well. These irons are super hot and they are professional grade flat irons. The glove actually came with them. Now, that crew comb stick is a game changer. All those little ooze hairs that be in the way, it definitely helps to slick them down and keep them from flying everywhere. That next product was by Mazzani. It's their leave-in conditioner. When you have color in your hair, it tends to dry out a bit, so I just mist it lightly so that it won't be dry and break off. Being silly again. So now that I'm all dressed, I just wanted to clean up my office a bit. When I'm working during the week, I just do not have time. So I decided to clean up first because I just don't like working in a messy office. It seems like that's so true. They say when you're in a cluttered space, your mind is cluttered. And when I'm getting ready to create, I need my mind to be totally clear and stress-free so that I can produce my best work. One of my jams came on. I had to turn it up. Anybody that knows me knows I will just bust out dancing in the middle of anywhere. Music is my medicine. It helps me feel so much better. It gives me so much joy. Everybody wonders, how in the world can you just live by yourself? You don't have any children. You're not in a relationship. I mean, honestly, I'm a whole vibe by myself. I really enjoy being by myself. I know how to party by myself. So it's, not a big deal to me. See what I'm saying? I'll just bust out dancing anywhere. All that dancing had me a little hot. I was originally going to do a different video. I'm working on several projects at one time, and so I chose to prioritize what was most important. Shortly, you will understand how this video became a how to shoot your own professional photo shoot. Earlier, I mentioned that this project was for the wealth builders. The wealth builder community is something that I am proud to be a part of, and I'll definitely share with you really brief what it is all about. The wealth builder community is a community of people who are actively working to build wealth over time. Wealth building is a process that involves adopting habits and strategies to grow savings, assets, and investments. Wealth builders often have the following characteristics. They set goals, live below their means, they invest wisely, they continuously learn about the stock market, and while in the stock market, they're patient and persistent. They don't expect to build wealth overnight, but are willing to put in the work over time. If this sounds like something you might want to be a part of, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video showing you how you can be on your journey to financial freedom as well. So what I'm doing here is looking through my files, trying to find a mock-up or a model that I will be able to put the design that I designed on to show off. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one to my liking to use. So I said, you know what, I'll just do it myself. So here, I'm just straightening out my green screen. I do have the product description for this, or link I should say, in the description for the lighting and the green screen. It all came in a kit. I purchased this because when you're a business owner, one of your goals is to try to save as much money as you can. You don't want to be spending it all when you're trying to build it to what you want it to be. So you save a lot of money doing a lot of things yourself. First things first. The camera I used is a Canon EOS M200 creator kit. I bought this camera a few years ago, and it's supposed to give you very nice and crisp pictures and videos. So instead of setting a phone or the camera on a countdown to take photos, what you want to do is place it on video mode. When you place it on video mode, you just stand there and you do different poses as you see me doing, whatever poses that you want to capture. And I normally do this for about 15 minutes is enough. You know, right before you do it, you want to kind of practice what poses you want to do. Maybe Google a variety of poses that models do and try to remember it when you get in front of the camera. As you can see here, I'm making sure that I am keeping the area on my chest open, because that is where I'm going to be placing the image that I designed. Maybe I'll do a video of that so that you can see how you can just do this photo shoot and place any image where you actually want it to go. Let me know in the comments if that's something you would like to see. Whatever the occasion is for the photo shoot, you might want to grab a prop to take pictures with. It helps to bring out different expressions or different poses. It'll help just to give you different looks on the photos that you screenshot. And it'll add life and excitement to the photos that you take. Like, I know you see me dancing, I had music playing in the background, and even though this is not a party situation, I did that just to give myself some different expressions, different body poses. You would be surprised how when you pause the video and maybe play it back slow, you can really end up with some good screenshot photos. So once you're done filming it, if you did it with your cell phone, then it's easy peasy, less work. All you would have to do is go into your phone, push play, and screenshot any shots that you see that's worth capturing. If you did it like me using the Canon camera, you would just take out the SD card, put it in your laptop, and transfer that video to your cell phone. So once I transferred it to my cell phone, I played it and I just screenshot different poses and looks that I thought was super cute, and definitely made sure I snapped photos of the area where I wanted to place my image. Not sure if I said this, but if you would like to see that process of putting the image on to the photo, let me know in the description, and of course I'll make that video for you. As you see, I just made a screenshot while the video was playing, and shortly you'll see how they turn out into nice photos that you can place wherever you need them to be placed. Now I'm done screenshotting, and here are some of the still photos that I was able to capture just by using the screenshot feature. And I must represent Samson A23, baby. This is one of the reasons why I say 15 minutes is enough. You're going to end up with tons of screenshots, and you don't want to be all day sifting through those. As you see, I didn't even have to make the shirt. All I had to do was edit it in my software and place me in my software and combine me and the image. Did I just said like a whole mouthful. Hopefully you get what I'm saying. That's why I said if anyone wants to see that process of me taking myself and putting it in the software and putting the image onto the hoodie or shirt, let me know. On second thought, I am, because that is also part of the process, and I was in such a rush to get certain things in order that I didn't even think to film it. But this is a project that I'm going to be working on for a minute. I'll definitely record that and make that into a video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. If there's anything you need, let me know in the comments, and I will help you out as much as I can. Stay tuned. Take care. Much love.